sing sometimes.
How?
Hey, what's up mga lodi natin dyan? Good morning at kumusta po? So, it's me Dugong Pinoy. Nagbabalik po mga adult. So, for today's video mga adult, tara, panoorin natin ng isang music song ng ating Sweet Notes Music Official sa kanilang Thank You For Loving Me, Bon Jovi. Tara mga adult, panoorin natin kung gaano nga ba kalupit ang ating Sweet Notes kasama ang kanyang May Bahay. Let's go! Ayan.
What's the song again? Maraming salamat sa patuloy na suporta sa Sweet Notes Music. Meron pa tayong mga ka-Sweet Notes dito, konting palakpakan naman. Talagang salamat.
Sweet Notes Music Official.
It's hard for me to say the things I want to say sometimes.
Grabe boses.
So I'm here, it's you and me. The broken notes read like lock the doors. We leave the world outside.
Galing.
And all I've got to give to you, and these flowers and eyes can pay you. Gotta sing. For being my eyes when I couldn't see. You parted my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me.
Wow!
I never knew I had a dream until the dream was you. When I look into your eyes, the sky's a different blue. Cross my heart, I would know the sky. And if I tried to make believe, 'cause you believe my lies. Thank you for loving me,
Wow!
for being my eyes when I couldn't see. You parted my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. You pick me up when I fall down. You're in the mouth before you count me out. If I was telling you about to see, you was all left to rescue me.
BJ! Sweet Notes Music Official mga lodi. Please pa-like and subscribe sa kanilang YouTube channel. Grabe talaga to. Ang galing.
Lock the doors, leave the world outside. And all I've got to give to you, these flowers tonight. Thank you for loving me, for being my eyes. Oh, and I couldn't see. You parted my lips and I couldn't breathe.
Notes Music Official mga idol. Grabe, malupit sa malupit ang ating Lodi na si PG at ang kanyang wifey. Galing. Amazing. Napakagaling itong mag-asawang to mga idol. Sweet Notes Music Official mga idol sa kanilang Thank You For Loving Me by Bon Jovi na talaga namang wow, amazing. Sa mga nagustuhan ng kailang rendition mga idol, please palike and subscribe sa kanilang YouTube channel Sweet Notes Music Official. Sa mga tao dyan na talagang na-appreciate ang boses nila at ang kailang performance, please palike and subscribe din sa ating YouTube channel mga idol at please comment down below mga idol para ating pag-usapan dyan sa comment section. So hanggang dito lang ko mga idol, yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan. Halimaw talaga yan. God bless mga idol at ingat po kayo lagi.